Hello students, we are going to discuss about Windrose diagram. What is Windrose? Wind data direction, duration and intensity are graphically represented by a diagram is called Windrose. Wind data should usually be collected for a period of at least 5 years and preferably 10 years so as to obtain an average data with sufficient accuracy. What is the purpose of a Windrose? It is a graphical chart that characterizes the speed and direction of wind at a location presented in a circular format. The length of each spoke around the circle indicate the amount of time that the wind blows from a particular direction. Colors along the spoke indicate categories of wind speed. So this is the purpose of Windrose. Windrose analysis. It is used to determine the runway orientation. Orientation is nothing but runway number. What is runway number? Runway numbers are determined by rounding the compass bearing of one runway end to the nearest 10-degree, truncating the last digit. Runways are numbered from 1 to 36 as per the diagram. Opposite end of the runway always differ by 180 degree. So it's numbered 18 higher or lower. This is the runway number. According to ICAO is nothing but International Civil Aviation Organization. It is defined number between 1 to 36, which is generally the magnetic azimuth of the runway heading in decade degrees. Example, airport runway. Next one, area is divided into 16 parts, each 22.5 degree. Windrose typically use 16 cardinal direction. What are cardinal direction? North northeast, northeast, south southwest, southwest, etc. They may be divided into 32 direction. In terms of angle measurement in degrees, north to 0 degree or 360 degree, east to 90 degree, south to 180 degree, west to 270 degree. Next one, Windrose types. Windrose classified into two types. One is type 1 diagram, another one type 2 diagram. One by one we will discuss. Type 1 based on direction and duration of wind. In type 1 diagram, concentric circle indicate percentage duration of wind. Radial lines indicate direction of wind. Type 2 diagram based on direction, duration and intensity of wind. In type 2 diagram, radial line indicate direction of wind. Concentric circle indicate intensity of wind. What is concentric circle? Circle with common center. Last one, deviation up to 33 degree can be allowed. Generally, in terms of angle measurement in degrees, already I said north to 0 degree or 360 degree, east to 90 degree, south to 180 degree, west to 270 degree. Deviation up to 33 degree can be allowed. So this figure shows that windrow's diagram type 1. What is type 1 windrow's diagram? So this is the windrow's diagram type 1. Windrow's diagram can be plotted by type 1 showing direction and duration of wind. In the windrow's diagram plotted by type 1, in which the radial line represent the wind direction and each concentric circle is nothing but circle with common center, indicate the duration of wind to certain scale. What are the scale in this diagram? 3, 6, 9, 12 and 15. Are you clear? Total percentage of wind blowing in north direction is taken from the collected value of wind data and this point is marked along north direction. Suppose the data collected from south direction, so these data marked in south direction only. Similarly, east and west direction collected data marked in east and west direction only. Are you clear? Okay. The wind data should usually collected for a period of at least 5 years and preferably at 10 years so as to obtain on arranged data with sufficient accuracy. The best direction of runway is shown along the direction of the longest line on the windrow's diagram. Are you clear or not? Okay, this is the type 1 windrow's diagram. So this figure shows that type 2 windrow's diagram. So in type 2 diagram, in this type of windrows, each circle represent the wind intensity to some scale. The values entered in each segment represent the percentage of time in a year during which the wind having a particular intensity blows from the respective direction. What are the procedure for determining the orientation of runway from this type of windrows or windrows diagram? First step, draw the 3 equispaced parallel line on a transparent paper strip in such a way that the distance between the two nearby parallel line is equal to the permissible crosswind component. So this distance is measured with the same scale with which the windrow's diagram is drawn. The permissible crosswind component nearly 25 km per hour. Second step, place the transparent paper strip over the windrow's diagram in such a way that the center line passes through the center of the diagram. With the center of windrows rotate the tracing paper and place it in such a position that sum of all the values indicating the duration of wind within the outer parallel lines is the maximum. The runway should be thus oriented along the direction indicated by center line. Finally, wind coverage can be calculated by summing up all the percentage. Thank you for your attention.